Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Garden Grill.
On today's episode, we're going to learn how to cook corn on the barbecue. All you're going to need for this is some sweet corn, some cooking foil, 100 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of salt. First things first, let's get our tin foil out onto our board, but don't forget shiny side facing in. Next up, we take our butter and evenly spread it over the corn. Followed up by a good sprinkle of salt. And finally, give it a good sprinkling of paprika. Now with all the ingredients added, simply roll the corn on the foil and push all the ingredients deep within. Now place the corn in the middle of the foil, roll it up tightly and secure the ends. As always, if you need to know how to start a fire, please check out the links below. With the corn all wrapped up, let's place them on the edge of the corn. Turn the corn roughly every 5 minutes, and after about 20 minutes, they'll be done. Now all that's left to do is to unwrap it and add a little bit more salt and butter. That's it for another video. If you've enjoyed this, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.